Hey guys, want to show you my new LED mini panel lights. Super excited to get these in. These are going to go under my kitchen cabinets, and absolutely love my kitchen, and I know these are going to enhance them tremendously. Just with these, I get the ability to control them via my app, so I can change how bright they are because they're fully dimmable. You can also adjust the color temperature, so you can go from warm to cool and kind of just change the whole theme in your kitchen just by adjusting these lights. Comes with a switch, 6 lights that will go into your cabinets, a 6-port distributor, a driver, the plug cord. I mean, it comes with everything you need to get these up and running, set up, get lights under your cabinets, and they're so thin. I was looking at them before, super thin, so very low profile. Everything you need comes in the box ready to go. All you need is somewhere to plug them in that's discreet, and you're gonna have your lights up and going. I'm excited to try these out and show you what they look like. Hope you enjoy them.